Hey guys, welcome back to R-Teck, and you're taking the first exclusive look at the OnePlus 6. Now the first thing that we see, there's a change in material overall, so it's gonna be a fully gloss phone, super glossy as you can see, pretty much looking like the Galaxy S9 that was released earlier this week. And there's a lot of different changes on it, especially the back of the phone, which pretty much looks super glossy, and I think this is gonna be because it's gonna actually have wireless charging. Fingers crossed for my preference if OnePlus could do a dash wireless charging, which would pretty much be awesome. Not sure if that's gonna happen, that's just my thing. And you can pretty much see the orientation of the camera has changed, and now it's gone in the center of the phone, almost center, you know what I mean. And pretty much these are rumored to be 12 megapixel each, one telephoto, one wide angle lens with that LED flash right underneath it, and right under the flash is actually the fingerprint scanner, which is gonna be super fast as well with that OnePlus insignia on it. And it looks more circular than squared out as it usually be. It's not the first time OnePlus has ever copied something, which is, yeah, it's not really good, but it's a trendy thing they're copying, so that's actually good, and they're trying to make their own products better. Now, taking a look at the front of the phone, you're gonna see that iPhone inspired display, which is supposed to be rumored 6 inches long in diagonal with that small notch, not as big as the iPhone X, but it's still noticeable, and it houses that small speaker grill and also that front facing camera, which is rumored to be 8 megapixel. And taking more things in smaller details, you're gonna see that actual serial of the phone, which is P7819 if you can't really see it. And anything OnePlus with that kind of serial number on it, you know it's the OnePlus 6 from now. And other stuff like Oxygen OS 5.1.0, and this is a 64 base phone that's actually rumored to have 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. We're not sure which variant it is, with Android 8.0 launching out of the box, and the leakster is actually blurred out the rest of it with that on-screen capacitive buttons at the bottom. But this phone, we're hoping that it also comes with a headphone jack and other stuff. Now, this is pretty much an awesome looking phone from what it expects. We expect it to compete in that mid-range, hopefully the king of the mid-range phone again. But the OnePlus 6 is actually looking like a pretty much great phone, even though it's inspired by other company. And yeah, this is pretty much it for the OnePlus 6. Stay tuned for other leaks and rumors that is happening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. This is R-Teck. Peace.